Hey, I'm Drew Sullivan. I'm an athletic training student at the University of South Carolina, and I'm going to teach you how to use a stethoscope. So first, you want to make sure that the earpieces are clean and make sure that they're turned forward. You're going to want these earpieces in your ear and towards your nose. So when you put the earpieces in, if you lightly tap the bells, you can see which bell the stethoscope is on and using, and you can actually turn this to make adjustments to which bell you want to use. And so you're going to put these in your ear, and like I said, just tap. It's on this bell, and you're going to want to make sure that you hold like this. If you put your thumb over the bell, you're actually going to be able to hear the pulse from your own thumb while you're taking blood pressure, for instance, or if you're taking respirations, you're going to hear that pulse from your thumb. So make sure you hold it with only 2 fingers, and make sure you're in a pretty quiet area. That way you can actually hear what you're listening to. Thanks.